Today is April 15th and I'm at the farmhouse to try to work on some finishing touches, as I call them. We had installed the microwave. It definitely needs two people to put it up. And it just barely made it as far as the tile goes. So that worked out. I didn't have to drill into the tile. I need to caulk the tile down here. I still have to put an apron up here for this trim. Although I'm thinking, you can only see it if you bend down. If I'm locking up here, and I'm a shorter person, maybe I can see that. So yeah, I need to cut an apron and put that up, and then I need to paint this. I already caulked it last time I was here. The other thing I want to do is assemble at least the stove, which means just really attaching this wire to it. I may not just plug it in, just leave it like that. The fridge needs to be assembled. I'm not gonna move that by myself, but it needs to be put together. The other things I need to do is finish up the closets, meaning I started putting up the shelves and the rods, and then this is a pre-laminated shelf that I bought from Home Depot. I cut that. I had some old rods that I repurposed and painted. That needs to be painted more. The other thing I wanted to do today, hopefully, is cut this door. I need to cut like 1/4 inch, only because when I do this floor, it's gonna come up too far and it's not gonna fit. So I want to do that before I actually paint this door. So that's another thing, painting this door. I need to work on painting the closet doors. This guy has no shelf yet, but it has the rod. And then I have to really work on this closet because when I cut it, I didn't do a really good job. So I'm gonna have to plane that down with my little planer. The other thing, again, I have a lot on my mind as far as what needs to be done. The other thing I need to do is try to finish the bathroom as far as painting. This needs to have another coat. I have to cut this for this shelf in here. That's another thing I have to do. So I may have to just start with that, because I don't have a piece here. I already cut the side pieces and I marked out all the studs, which is not many, because the stud space, especially back here, is very wide. Over there is like 24. And this side is on 16th because I built that one. So yeah, there's a whole lot to do. So see which one I'm gonna do first. Okay, I'm finished with the inside of every closet. It's done. I still have to do the trim and paint the doors, but I did finish the guest room door, meaning cut the bottom off and painted it and put a handle on it. Here are the other closets. It's kind of hard to see, but I still need a shelf for this one. And this closet looks good. I trimmed it here so it's now more even. Looks good too. here too. And also I painted some windows in the bathroom. I finished adding a second coat to this guy here. That looks pretty good. And then I painted this with one coat. I used a roller, so that's put some more paint, and I only had to paint that once, so it looks good. I did fix this also because this was overcut, and I put some wood putty to get it even out more. And then downstairs I painted the two windows in the kitchen. In the kitchen I painted the two window frames, trims that I prepared last time I was here, so it's now painted. I have to wait to do the trim on because I had to do the tiling first because it's over the tile. So that looks good, and the apron is not nailed to the wall because there's tile behind it, and what I ended up doing is just glued it with caulk, just regular caulk, and I nailed it from here with 3 nails, so that's how it's held up. Looks pretty good though. I got a lot done. See you next time.